Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the Aussie US dollar, I'm still expecting that this is going to make a move up. I still think we need to go up and complete three waves up for the wave Y, just like we have three waves for W, three waves of X. I think we need to make one, two, three waves up for the wave Y. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as an uptrend. I still think it's more likely a wave 1. I still think this is a complete ABC correction right here, more likely a wave 2. And I still think there's a very good chance that this is eventually just going to keep on going up for a wave 3. It may even be like a wave 1 right there. This is actually like either a running flat or an expanding flat wave 2, and then eventually back up for the wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So ever since we broke structure to the downside about 2 weeks ago, I definitely would have been personally looking for shorts on sort of time frames. Like I was just explaining, this definitely could be a wave A right here. This definitely could be a wave B, and this definitely could be a wave C right now. If it is a wave C, then it's probably likely it will take out these lows, maybe the 161, 178, before we actually do end up continuing the uptrend. I think there's a good chance this right here is a 1. This is like an expanding flat wave 2, and eventually we are going to go up for a wave 3. And we do have US dollar interest rate coming out next week, so probably a good time to make a new rally. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for shorts. For me, the last major structure level is way up here, which means that even if it does start to move to the downside, I can almost guarantee it's going to make a new low, and it's going to be a correction to the downtrend. I'm keeping a very close eye on the 161, 178% for a possible reversal. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am only looking for shorts. I kind of hope that it does go up a little bit because that should give us a really good opportunity to go short at the end of the correction for the continuation of the downtrend. So even if it does go up a little bit, I'm definitely not going to be looking for longs. I will definitely be waiting patiently for more sorting opportunities. The trend is down on a higher time frame, the daily time frame. So I'm definitely only looking for shorts, and I'm only going to go short at the end of three-way pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend, which I still think is likely a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.